STG Repairs has served our customers since 2008 in Miami. STG Repairs team fixes almost all smartphones, tablets, and computers on the market. It also specializes in board-level repairs. Troubleshoot board-level problems. No touchscreen function, no backlight, no power. Replace knocked-off SMD components on any board. Problems with water and other liquid damage, and charging problems. We also do factory unlock, software errors, data transfer, and recovery. We have a very solid reputation in the repair community. Our clients can count on our experience. Our goal is reliable service and competitive prices.
Hello, today we're going to talk about a great tool. Okay, buenas, hoy vamos a hablar de una excelente herramienta y es la que están viendo aquí en la imagen. Okay, this is the one that you're seeing right here in the image. It's a very good tool. It's going to be very helpful for us. Es una gran herramienta y nos va a ayudar muchísimo. Every time that I'm saying something in English, I'm saying it in Spanish. Todas las veces que digo algo en inglés, lo digo en español. Si usted no me entiende cuando estoy hablando en inglés, lo voy a decir en español. If you don't understand when I'm saying things in English, I'm going to say it in Spanish. Okay? So let's transfer the camera, let's change the camera, and I'm going to show you this. Okay, this is a new tool. Okay, that's Shapus L001. Okay, esta es la nueva herramienta y es Shapus L001. Okay, this tool comes with it's for iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6S, 6 Plus, 7 and 7 Plus, and also it comes with a cable with alligators. Okay, so here these are the cables. Como pueden ver, esto viene para iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, 7 y 7 Plus, y también tiene los alligators que vamos a usar para las baterías, para hacerlo directamente al conector de la batería. Okay, this is different. Okay, you can see here we have the battery connector and the Dog Flex FPC connector. Okay, the regular ones, we don't have the Dog Flex connector. Okay, on the other ones that we usually use, we don't have the Dog connector. Usualmente, como ven aquí, estos cables ahora traen el conector de la batería y el Flex Connector que va al FPC. Ok, Dog FPC Connector. Los cables que teníamos antes, los cables que siempre hemos comprado, solamente traen el de la batería. ¿Qué va a hacer esto? Con esto vamos a lograr encender el teléfono sin tener que usar las pinzas. With this cable, we're going to be able to turn on the phone without using the tweezers or an extra cable. This is how it works. Okay, esto es como trabaja. Se me rompió el guante. Okay, this is how this works. Okay, let me change my glove very quick. Okay, this is how it works. You are going to connect the cable. Oh, something is wrong with my glove today. Okay, I'm not gonna use gloves. Okay, what we're gonna do? We are going to connect. I don't like being without gloves. something's wrong with my glove. Let's see. Okay, now, perfect, we are nice. Okay, first thing you're gonna do, you are going to connect this. This is the box. You're going to connect to the power supply. Lo primero que vamos a hacer es conectarlo al power supply. Ok, estos se va a conectar de esta manera al board. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, you're going to connect to the power supply, and then you are going to connect the cable to the board. Okay, you are connecting the dock flex and the battery connector at once. Estás conectando el dock flex y el conector de la batería en uno. Como ven, en este momento no está consumiendo absolutamente nada. As you can see, there's no current going through the power supply. So if we press, we have two buttons here. One is for on and off, and the other one is for power. Aquí hay dos botones, uno que es para encender y apagar y otro para darle, bueno, on and off and power. Okay, so we press on and off. Vamos a presionar on y off. Y como ven, se enciende la luz morada. As you can see, now this box is turning on. So what we're going to do, we're going to press for a couple seconds. Vamos a presionar por un par de segundos. Y de esta manera veremos cómo el iPhone 7 empieza a encender. As you can see, the iPhone 7 is turning on. This is like this because you see the screen is working. So as you can see, we have successfully turned on the board without having to use, as we usually do, we use tweezers. Okay, we don't have to use the tweezer anymore. Okay, como ven, el teléfono encendió sin necesidad de tener que usar unas pinzas para poder tocar el pin y encenderlo. Okay, so now we are going to test. We turn off. Now we're going to test on the 6 Plus. Ahora vamos a probar en el 6 Plus. Como ven, tenemos aquí, conectamos. You can see the screen is off. I turn on. You can read the power supply there. Como pueden ver, pueden leer el power supply. Lo enciendo y vamos a presionar por unos segundos nuevamente hasta que ustedes ven cómo empieza a consumir. Okay, you can see it's current on the power supply and the phone is turning on. Como ven, el teléfono está encendiendo. Vamos a, de esta manera, ahorrarnos bastante tiempo y va a ser mucho más fácil para nosotros. This is going to be easy for us. Okay, you're gonna see the phone is turning on, so we're gonna be able to diagnose it faster. Okay, same thing. You see, it's on and same thing. Okay, you're going to connect, and it's very easy to connect. Okay, where are you going to find it? I'm gonna show you where you're going to find it. You're gonna go to, this is where I bought it. Okay, aquí donde lo compré, Union Repair. Okay, Union Repair is $19.99. It's very good tool. Hopefully you guys enjoy this tool. Aquí fue donde lo compré. Espero que esta herramienta la disfruten. Nos va a servir muchísimo. Okay, if you guys like this video, I enjoy it, give me a like, if not, give me a comment. Si les gustó este video y lo disfrutaron, denme un like o comentario. Gracias.